Keep a close eye on pre-release and keep a close eye on your spread as well.
Sell. Conflicting data.
Pretty strong sell. I'm going to turn off my expert advisor because of the movement. It already got me. Got my 30 and my 70-point target. Go ahead and close out half, guys, if you haven't closed out half yet. I couldn't turn off my expert advisor in time. It was a phenomenal trade, though. As you can see, it closed me out. My initial 30 and then my 70-point target was hit. Just was hit. So you want to make sure you close out half your trade. At this point, the way it's pulling back, you can close out all of it if you'd like. There is the potential for this to continue down because we are breaking out of that wedge formation that I discussed on a larger chart. So there is good potential for it to continue down. However, we're likely to see a pullback. The revision is not that big of an issue. It's not that substantial. But you definitely want to make sure that you've locked in profit by closing out a portion and moving your stop. If you do want to continue to hold this, that's fine. Just make sure that you lock in and you don't allow it to take anything away. But as I said, I am completely out of this trade. You can see where my first exit was and my second exit. The managed take profit took me out pretty quickly. So pretty decent move overall. The 64 level, for those of you that are holding, in my mind would be the line in the sand. If it breaks above 64, that's where I would consider closing down. So if you want to adjust your stop down, set it to around 69 or 70 to give yourself a few pips there. That would be the place to set your stop. Yeah, Euro Yen 129.99, close at 129.62, and the second one was close at 129.20. How's everyone doing on this morning? I'm not getting a lot of feedback yet. 73 pips, awesome. 70 pips in a flash, good. 70 pips, 69 pips. Anyone still holding this trade? All right, we've got a couple traders still holding. Fong, where are you in at? 60 and 70 pips, good. 85 pips, that's awesome. All right, guys. Well, you know, I'm throwing out all these numbers, and I know there's some people out there who aren't speaking up, and there's one or two that didn't get filled that we've seen so far, and one that got a bad fill. So I don't want to come across as if everybody in the world made a bunch of money this morning. We did have a handful of people that didn't get in, and we had a handful of people that actually only one that got a bad fill so far. Got 50 pips good, 74 pips good, Larry.